Nigerian social media personality and cross-dresser Idris Okoye, widely known as Bobrisky, has claimed he was arrested by immigration authorities in Nigeria. He said on social media that he does not know why he was arrested. Bobrisky wrote, "Guys, I've just been arrested by immigration in Nigeria. I don't know what I did." This isn't Bobrisky's first run-in with the law. He has a history of legal troubles, including a previous arrest at the Semi border while trying to flee the country. Also, a dramatic scene unfolded as Bobrisky was preparing to board a flight to London. According to eyewitnesses, Nigerian authorities stopped the plane just before takeoff, escorted Bobrisky off the aircraft, and detained him in full view of other passengers. It's worth noting that Bobrisky has always been in the spotlight for controversies. However, the Nigerian Immigration Service (NIS) confirmed Bobrisky's arrest, stating that he's a person of interest in an ongoing investigation, though the exact reason for his alleged arrest remains unclear. We'll continue to keep a close eye on this story and supply you with more information as this story unfolds. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.